How to check your Windows 10 update history using PowerShell. Subscribe to Technical Boy Delini Sports channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. How to check your Windows update history with PowerShell. Now click Enter. Okay, so for that we need to open this PowerShell, so let me minimize this. Okay guys, so what you need to click on this search box and just do a search for Windows PowerShell. And here we have the Windows PowerShell, this app. Just right click on that and then click on this Run Administrator. Now enter the command for PowerShell. And here we have the Windows PowerShell open so that we maximize this. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to type this command mic space key space list. Okay, and guys, this command in video description, you can check it out. Okay, and after typing this command, just hit enter key on the keyboard. Okay guys, so you can see here we have the description. So now showing the update hotfix ID, and it's installed by installed on. OK, you can see the dates over here. OK, so you can see the update security update. OK, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily find your Windows 10 update history using PowerShell. Now use second command. If you'd like less information, simply use get my object class win32_quickfixengineering to see the source, description, hotfix ID, installed by, and installed on. You can also get the update history on remote computers by typing in mic/node, computer name fee filename.txt. But if you want to get even geekier, you can see all the updates beyond the ones with hotfix IDs and see all the updates including .NET, Windows Defender, Adobe Flash Player, and more. The lines you need to type might seem scary, but it's safe. This script will show you the last 50 updates. Find your Windows 10 update history using PowerShell. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.